You were standing by the window, 40 floors above the street, glass all around your silhouette, and the skyline at your feet. I could see the city breathing, and reflections on your skin, like the whole night had been waiting for the moment to begin. No one spoke, but everything moved in the space between me and you. A slow current through the room, like a flower learning bloom on the glass horizon. You turn the dark to gold. Every look you give me feels dangerous and cold. On the glass horizon, where the sleepless angels shine, I forget the world below and only feel your eyes on mine. There was jazz beneath the low wind, and champagne upon your mouth. The quiet kind of perfect that a man can't reason out. You came closer than the moonlight, resting on the city frame, and one touch along my collar set the whole room into flame. No one knew we crossed the line, just a beat in your hand and mine. The towers glow, the curtains sway, like the dark could prove what we made. On the glass horizon, you turn the dark to gold. Every look you give me feels dangerous and cold. On the glass horizon, where the sleepless angels shine, I forget the world below and only feel your eyes on mine. If the morning pulls us down, back into the noise of town, I will keep this higher view, where the night gave me to you. Glass horizon, crystal blue. Every light still points to you. When the sunrise starts to show, I won't wanna let this go.